Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to stay lean all year round. Now, to prove that I know what I'm talking about, here are quite a few pictures of me throughout the entire course of a year. So it's something which I find like quite easy to do now because once I've learned how to do it, then actually sustaining it is it's kind of been quite straightforward. But getting to this point has been difficult, and I've had to learn a lot and break quite a few limiting beliefs to be able to get to this point and just to be able to easily stay lean like all year round. So if you're new here, I'm Kieran. I make videos on how to lean down, get visible abs, and basically build muscle in the gym and building good habits. So one of my favorite books is called The One Thing by Gary Keller. And there's the main quote from the book is to ask yourself, what's the one thing that I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary. I'm going to talk about in this video the one thing which finally led to me getting shredded and being able to maintain it. And that was weighing myself every day. And that includes like body composition as well. I've got body composition scales that measure, body fat percentage, muscle mass, all that kind of thing. And it's basically your accountability partner. And as soon as I stopped doing my daily weigh-ins, it was when I moved abroad and I didn't have the scales with me for a good like 3 months, I think. I really just kind of like slipped off because it was just out of my mind then, and I wasn't have that daily accountability. And as soon as I got them back again, then I was back on track. So what about like diet, training tips? Obviously, they're super important, and I'm sure you've been drilled to death with diet and training tips. I've made plenty of videos on them as well. But in my opinion, if you keep weighing yourself daily, then those kinds of things will just take care of themselves. And humans make decisions based on pain and pleasure. And if you weigh yourself daily, then you get punished straight away for eating poorly because your weigh-in the next morning will be bad. And same the other way. And that won't happen unless you weigh in. And I've heard so many times that the people I've recommended so many times to do the daily weigh-ins, and that it will like change someone's life and change their physique. And the reason why people stop doing the daily weigh-ins is because they've had like a bad week of eating. Well, doesn't that just prove the point that if you were doing your daily weigh-ins, then you wouldn't have had the bad week of eating, or at least you would have had that pain to not make that mistake the next time. So, in summary, to stay lean all year round, measure your body composition every day. And I'll add to that also tracking it is vital as well. My tracker from Google Sheets will be in the description if you want to use that. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. If you want some one-to-one coaching, click the first link in the description. But yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow.